Everyone, in today's video we will see how to find the RV water heater reset button, location and how to reset. Step 1. Turn everything off. Switch off the water heater inside the RV, then turn off the propane supply and switch off the water heater circuit breaker and let the heater cool completely. Step 2. Find the exterior access panel. Walk outside your RV and locate the rectangular metal water heater door, usually on the lower side walls. Now open the panel using its latch. The step 3. Look for the reset button. So suburban models look for one or two small rubber covers marked reset or push to reset. They are generally near the thermostat assembly, so you can press both gently. A click indicates that one hand tripped. Now at wood or Dometic models, many models do not have a obvious user reset button. Some older electrical models have a small ECO reset at the rear of the heater, accessible from side inside the RV. So check the model specific manual before removing the cover. The last step, restore operation. Confirm that the tank is completely full of water, so you can turn the circuit breaker and propane supply back on and switch on either electrical or gas mode and wait for the water to heat. So goodbye and thanks for watching.